Alright, now we're doing 8Q, find the force of gravity between two objects. This is by 5 Crayfish 973 and 69% of people like it. Our job is to find the gravitational force between two spherical objects. We're given a value array, which is the mass of object 1, mass of object 2, distance between their centers. That's going to be these ones. And then we're going to be given the unit array, which is units for mass 1, unit for mass 2, and the unit for the distance, which are going to be these, right? And the mass units are going to be in any kind of unit, and the same with the distance units, even feet and pounds included. All right. The value of g is going to be, and this is the gravitational constant, is going to be 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th. 1 foot equals this many meters. 1 pound equals this many kilograms. And we're going to the return value must be Newton, and also this, we're going to use this whenever we use these units here. All right. So for this one, we have to know, to start off with, this gravity formula. And gravity formula is the force equals the gravitational constant times mass 1 times mass 2 divided by the distance between centers of the masses squared. All right? So let's start off by writing that down. We're going to say 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th, 6.67 negative 11, because that's exactly the same thing. And that's times mass 1, which will be r val 0. All right. So r val 0 times r val 1, which will be this one. All right. Divided by r val 2, which is this one, and then we're going to square it like we said we're going to do over here. Squared. All right. Now we need to do the conversions, and that's where the trick is. So for that, we're going to wrap this up in parentheses. Whoops. Bring it down here, and then we're going to, in another set of parentheses, we're going to have an object, and that object is going to be filled with stuff like kilogram, 1, gram, gram, and that's going to be E. It's going to be 1 e to the negative 3, and so on and so forth. I've already got that open here, so I'm just going to take it from here and put it in right here. All right. And just make sure you get this symbol in there. Just copy paste from here and throw it over here. All right, so now that we've got that, so now we have to do the R unit accessing this one. So R unit 0 is going to be G, but then we have to also switch it up with one of these, all right? So let me show you what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to make this into a, we're going to make this into a, a function C for converter, all right? And over here we're going to multiply C, and inside of some brackets we're going to put R unit, and then inside some more brackets we're going to say 0, all right? And so that's going to put G in there, and then it's going to switch up, like if it's G, it's going to come down here and put 1e negative 3. So then it's r val times 1e negative 3, and that's the actual unit we're looking for. So we're going to do it again for this one. whoops, 1, and then we're going to do it one more time. Let's wrap this up in parentheses. Then we're going to multiply by this. And we're going to say 2. Alright? And that should work. That should work. That should work. Alright, test it out. It does. Awesome. Attempt it. Great. Submit it. Alright, I've already very liked it. And let's go to my solutions. I've already said best practice because this is not the first take I've done on this video. Alright, and we'll see you next time.